Hey guys, so I got some stuff in the mail that I just wanted to show you guys real quick. I'm just gonna show you guys a little haul. I really don't have anything else going on lately. I'm sorry for the lack of content. When I get more stuff going, I will definitely film it. First off, I realized I ordered the same dress from another company, but this one's way thicker. Like, it's really, really good material. Very good material. Highly, highly recommend. And then I got this bikini. So you guys know I'm obsessed with my blue bikini that looks like this. So I decided to get a black one. Same concept, just in black. And then it just has like these basic bikini bottoms that are, you know, cheeky. Super cute bikini. Whenever I saw this one on their website, I was like, yeah, I need just a basic black bikini that looks like this because I was so obsessed with the blue one. I was like, I need a black one, you know? And then I got my Ipsy box in for the month and I'm super excited. I haven't even opened it yet, so let's dig into it. The first thing I got is this Icelandic Black Lacquer Good Vibes Mascara Curler plus Lash Enhancing Mascara. Okay, let's see what she is. Okay, I'm thoroughly confused. Whoa, that's a lash curler? What the heck? This is a lash curler. And then I'm guessing this is the mascara. Okay, that's insane. I've used a lash curler before a long time ago. I hated it. It hurt my eyes. I was like, never again. I'm never doing this again. It pulled out my eyelashes, so I am not a fan of lash curlers personally. I know a lot of people that love them, so I'll probably put this in a giveaway. I'm planning on doing several giveaways soon, so stay on the lookout for that. Okay, and the next thing I have is a Murad Acne Control Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment. Ooh, I think I might have used this like years ago because my mom uses Murad, or she used to anyways. And so that was one of the first brands I tried out. And I'm actually really excited about this because I have a breakout like right here under my lip. And it's one of those ones that hurts. And so I just need it gone. Oh, it says reduces blemish size and redness within 4 hours. Oh, I'm excited, guys. I love acne treatments. Like, I love trying new ones because I'm always like trying to get my skin clear, you know, and my skin definitely goes through phases where it's definitely really good, it's so clear, and then the next week it's like breakouts everywhere, you know. That's just how it is. So the next thing that I got is this. I don't even want to say the name because I know I'm gonna butcher it. So that is the brand. And it is a Hydro Veil. I have no clue what this is. Oh my gosh, this looks so fancy. Oh, it's a primer? It's a hydrator and primer, instantly moisturizing and soothing to your skin. The futuristic clear gel formula absorbs quickly, so it's a perfect step before foundation application. Ooh, guys. I'm gonna like smell it. Is that weird? Oh my gosh, this is so weird. Guys, it's like literally a jelly. Do you see that? This is so weird, but kind of cool. I'm kind of obsessed with it. This one's definitely going to be in a new video soon. I'm going to be trying out new products, and this is going to be one of the new products that I try because this is freaking insane. Like, what? I'm so excited to try it. Okay, so the next thing that I have is a Ciate. I think it's Ciate London. Their Dew Stick, which I actually have this, so I'm not even going to open it because I want it to go in the giveaway. And then the last thing that I got is the Gigi Gorgeous Bronzer Duo. Okay. I love bronzers. I love a good bronzer. I just hope it's in my shade. Okay, packaging. Cute. Okay, this looks like it could work for my skin tone. Yeah, I love this. And it has a nice mirror in it too. The packaging kind of feels like very plasticky. It's not like the most expensive product I've ever felt. But honestly, this looks nice. So I'm excited to try it. So then the last thing that I got in here is just a little bag. You always get a little bag in your Ipsy. I mean, they started out as Ipsy bags, so an Ipsy bag is kind of part of the point. Like, you kind of have to get that in your box, right? I personally would not really use this one, so I will be putting this in a giveaway. So like for me, traveling, I use these all the time, whether it's to fill it up with like pads, tampons, makeup, like first aid kit. Gotta have a first aid kit. There's just all different types of stuff that I put in these things, so I highly recommend them. I have a million of them, so that's why I usually tend to give some of them away. I also love using them for gift wrapping. So, you know, if you're giving a gift to someone, say I'm giving away a palette to a friend. I can pop the little palette in here, give it to them as their gift, and then guess what? They have a bag that they can use too. Like, it's a 2-for-1. It's great. So I highly recommend that, guys. That's all for my little haul. I really did not have much lately. Okay, guys, so I just put on some of this onto my acne bump to that one right there. So I just applied a little bit to it. It was kind of thick. I wasn't used to that because the one that I use is this Balance Me Congested Skin Serum. This one I absolutely love. It's hella expensive though. I actually bought the full-size one on Amazon, and guys, it was expensive. I just wanted to try this on the acne spot to see if it'll make it go down, because this one is very annoying and I want it gone by Saturday. So that doesn't give me too much time, so that means I really gotta treat it, and so I wanted to try this. It says it'll reduce it in 4 hours, so let's see if it does. I had to go get my nails done because one of them came off, and I got them a little bit shorter than I normally do, but I kind of like it. I got some stuff to try in the mail today, so I got these overnight oats, and I'm really excited to try them. I almost said in the shade. These ones are chai latte, so I'm excited to try these. And then I got 2 of these little organizers. They came in a set, and this is for the bathroom. So I'm going to organize my stuff that's on the counters now. I'm super excited about it. I just wanted to come on here and show you guys those 2 little things that I got today. So that's my little tiny haul for the day. Okay guys, so I just finished organizing these new little organizers, and I'm obsessed with the way this looks. I honestly want to get more, but like taller ones, you know? Like, I would love to get just one that's the size of this, where the drawer is like the size of both of these combined, so that I could put things like this in them. Those are too big to fit into like anything, so I kind of just have to leave them out, which is a little bit annoying. There's things like these that I could definitely put away, but there's this little spot on here that just makes it easy to leave them there. But basically I just leave out anything that I use constantly and stuff that wouldn't fit in the drawers. So this drawer, I made my moisturizer drawer. Then down here I have some cotton pads. I have one of my Pixie Vitamin C tonics. This one I use, but I don't use as often as the Glow tonic. So I just put it in here so it was a little less clutter on the cabinets. My Rin tonic. And then I have this like Pixie Glow stick, and I have some witch hazel pads. Those I usually take when I go on trips or go to other people's houses. Those are just easy to take with. And then over here I just have deodorant, hairbrush, Advil. Those are just the basic things that I keep on the counter. And so yeah, those are pretty much the only things on here. And then I tried to organize everything the best I could. I really love that the cabinet space has opened up so much. I personally love organization, and organization makes me very happy. So yeah, I'm very happy for this. Hey guys, I just wanted to end this vlog real quick because I didn't end it. I was thinking about making this like one full vlog with another that I have, but I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna make it 2. That's all for this vlog. I will be posting another one pretty quick. I think I'm gonna post them back to back, honestly, because I just want to get them up so I can edit the other ones. That was all for this vlog. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. I hope you guys all had an amazing day. I love you guys all so much, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!